Hello kids, today we will talk about storage of water. By this explanation, you will able to understand that how we can store the water in large quantity and use that for household work or for the business purpose. So let's see how we can store water by dams. Second, reservoir. Third, canal. And fourth, rainwater harvesting. Let's go one by one. Dam. As we can see in the picture, it is the structure that block the flow of river, stream or other waterway. Also, some dam divert the flow of river water into pipeline, canal or channel. Okay? So, डैम रिवर से जो वाटर फ्लो होता है उसको ब्लॉक कर सकते हैं. ऑल्सो कुछ डैम ऐसे बनाए जाते हैं जो रिवर वाटर की डायरेक्शन को डाइवर्ट कर देते हैं. डैम आर कॉल्ड मल्टीपर्पज प्रोजेक्ट. इसको मल्टीपर्पज प्रोजेक्ट कहते हैं. देयर आर मेनी रीजंस फॉर दैट, बिकॉज दे होल्ड वाटर फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, क्रॉप इरिगेशन, फ्लड कंट्रोल एक्सेट्रा. फ्लड कंट्रोल मीन्स बाढ़ आने से रोकते हैं. देन दे हार्नेस द एनर्जी ऑफ फॉलिंग वाटर टू जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिक पावर. फॉलिंग वाटर की जो एनर्जी है उसको इलेक्ट्रिक पावर जनरेट करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. So what is hydroelectricity? It is the type of renewable electricity that is generated by harness the power of moving water. Then dams in India. We will see about that. Bhangra Nagal Dam. It is across Satluj River in Punjab. Next is Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. It is across Krishna River in Andhra Pradesh. And last one is the Farakka Barrage, that is across Ganga River in West Bengal. These are some popular dams in India. Reservoir. What is reservoir? It is the artificial lake that is used to store large supply of water for use in people house and business. Okay? जो आर्टिफिशियल लेक बनाते हैं वाटर को स्टोर करने के लिए और इस वाटर को बाद में हाउस होल्ड पर्पज के लिए और बिजनेस पर्पज के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड रिजर्वर. देन कैनल. Canal, what is that? Here we can see, as it is given in the picture, it is nothing but it is the pipe that carries water from the reservoir to the home or field. Then rainwater harvesting. What is rainwater harvesting? During rainy season, rainwater is collected into tank, pond or roof of the building. Then it is allowed to flow into deep hole dug in the ground. Then this collected water is used for many purposes in dry season. See, whatever the rainwater is coming, that is collected in the roof of the house. Then through the pipe, it is flow to the hole that is dug into the ground. So it goes under the ground. Then we can use that water at the time of need or at the time where rain is less, where there is dry season. This process is called rainwater harvesting. Okay, I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.